GTII stock on 27 November. Let's start with this price prediction and the technical analysis. Today we have to go for what we should think about here is going to be having such great abilities about what we see on these stocks. So since we can see the stock on 27 November on GTII, this can be giving us such a location about what we want, since we have the price here and this price here, and we see that the difference between those two parties, the first one give us a slight increase, but here a large increase, and that is the difference between this support and this support on the same trend line. And I think that is going to returning back for us, that is 2 hours update will give us another decrease in momentum and then increase again. That is what I can mention for the news today, and good luck.